There are two uses for projected curves: to take a 2D sketch and map it onto a surface, and to combine two sketches and do a single 3D curve. First, let's take a look at mapping a sketch onto a surface. Here I have a sketch already created on the front plane and a surface. This is an extruded surface, but it can be any type of surface, including any face of a model. You'll find the projected curve command on the Insert, Curve drop-down menu. In the Property Manager, you can select one of the two types of projections. In this case, I'll use Sketch on Face. In the first selection window, I'll select the sketch to project. You can do this from the Feature Manager or the Graphics window. In the next selection window, I'll select the face I want to project onto. This can be one or more faces. An arrow will appear indicating the direction in which the sketch is being projected. To change this direction, you can click the arrow in the Graphics area or use the Reverse Projection checkbox in the Property Manager. To complete the curve, I'll click OK, and you can see the resulting curve on the surface. Next, let's use the same projected curve command to combine two sketches. These are regular 2D sketches, one on the top plane and one on the front plane. When using this command, the two sketch planes have to intersect. They can't be parallel to each other. I'll launch the projected curve command, and this time select the Sketch onto Sketch option. Once the sketches are selected, you'll see a preview of the projected curve. I'll click OK, and the curve is complete.